Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you are all having a hoppy spring. The theme for today is frogs and turtle, and it's for a girl 10 to 14. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and I'm looking forward to sending this one off this November.
Now, before I begin unboxing, I am going to try adding this shirt in this box. My family and I took a vacation to Great Wolf Lodge this month, and we had a wonderful time, one of my favorite vacations ever. I discovered a little clearance corner in the back area of the gift shop with t-shirts marked down to $5, Canadian currency, by the way. And for Great Wolf Gift Shop, that's a great deal. I picked a couple of these up for my girls and one for my OCC girl box. It goes great with her spring box. Her frog friend, he has a happy big smile, and there's red and yellow on his bow tie, so there's red and yellow in her shoebox. I picked him up at my local thrift store last year, and I will show you what's in the velvet pouch at the end of the unboxing. I haven't added these to my box yet either, because my friend Nikki here on YouTube just sent these to me, and when I saw them, I knew they had to go in my Hoppy box. There's red mushrooms hand painted and little red hearts on the bottom. This Hoppy box has red mushrooms and red hearts for accents. Of course, Nikki didn't know, and I'm always surprised with what Nikki sends me. These go perfect. This girl could use these even as decorations and be reminded that she is loved, valued, and chosen. So thank you, Nikki, for making this gift more special. I will have one of Nikki's videos linked at the end of this video. She also gave some scripture verse cards to go with each of the peg dolls. Some adorable stickers. A chunky eraser that I picked up at Staples. I love the little smiley face. A light up scrunchie. I had one of these in my burgundy shoebox that I did last year. I think it just adds a little fun. A turtle Hot Wheel car. I think that's the first turtle thing that she has in her shoebox. Her Dollar Tree tin. Inside there is a red heart magnet. Some washi tape with red hearts. A skateboard sticker, and then a happy green frog hugging a red heart. She has a gel pen to go with her journal, and then, of course, sharpeners, pencils, colored pencils, and then a fun eraser. It has two different ways that you can erase. I think it'll just be fun to jazz up the school supplies a little bit. And then a plastic egg with red hearts. And inside, there is a silly, squishy frog for her. And these are easy to clean. You can just rinse them off with some water. And that way she has a little home to keep him in and keep him clean. In this green pouch, she has 2 pair of underwear. And then in between the underwear, there is a compact mirror. So 1 pair of regular underwear, and then a pair of menstrual underwear. So there is a pad built inside. And these are ladies size extra small. I love the shade of green. And then she has a craft that I picked up at Dollarama. I love that he has little yellow feet to go with the color. And then there's picture instructions. A solar-powered calculator that I also picked up at Dollarama. There's a hair tie with instructions on the back. A whistle with a little yellow bead. Now this is a glow-in-the-day bouncy ball. So instead of it glowing in the dark, it glows when the sun is out and doesn't glow in the dark. She has a variety of sewing supplies. There is a threader, a seam ripper, some elastic cord, and needles. And I added in a metal thimble. I had a viewer a couple years ago suggest adding those into my sewing boxes. So thank you, Marlene, for that helpful suggestion. I now make sure I add those in each of my sewing shoe boxes. And then a sewing kit from Giant Tiger. A good pair of scissors that she can use for her sewing. Some zippers that I bought in bulk from Amazon. I bought these 2 years ago when I did my fall and sewing themed shoebox, and I'm still using the bulk from that purchase. 2 bars of face and body soap inside of a soap saver that she can put on her wrist so she doesn't lose it. A good quality comb from Amazon. A bright colored neon pack of crayons. I love her journal. You can't really tell, but there is a raised glossy effect on the book. And inside there is a satin bookmark. And like I said, she has a gel pen to go with that journal. A coloring book that I picked up from Dollarama. I love the little sticker here with the turtle smiling at the bird singing. Good variety of animals that she can color. And then a Hoppy frog smiling at her. I love using skateboard stickers in my boxes. They are waterproof, and I just think they'll last a long time. Her Sensodyne toothbrush, these are great quality, and I get these for free occasionally when I go to my hygienist appointments. I know these are monstera leaves, but they reminded me of lily pads, so I gave her this good quality tote bag. One of my favorite things in her shoebox, I love this notebook, the frog wearing the mushroom hat, and these mushrooms remind me of the ones that Nikki hand painted on the little peg dolls. So lots of pages in here for her to use, and then on the back it says Ministry of Frogs. I think this is one of the cutest notebooks I've ever seen. And then some fabric quarters, another thing that I bought in bulk from Amazon a couple years ago, and I'm still using the bulk from that purchase. Now inside of her velvet pouch, she has 2 necklaces. These can be very special to the kids, and they don't take up a lot of room. I know I sound repetitive, but this is a necklace that I bought in bulk from Amazon, the natural green stone, and I'm still using up this bulk, but it's beautiful. And then this one, really pretty, the turtle necklace. It is hypoallergenic, and I don't remember how much I paid, but I know I got it at a good price. And then her postcard, it has a picture of a real lily pad. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you all taking the time to watch my videos. I am going to speed up the video now and pack it all back up on camera. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day or night. Take care and happy shoebox packing.